What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing and first impression of the M4 MacBook Air. Probably one of the best budget laptop that you can get right now. And it is also much cheaper than before, which costs around 999 US dollars or even cheaper in some discounted stores. Previously, I think M2 and M3 cost much higher in their first release. So with this, we got here the base storage, which is 256 gig, and also with 16 gig of RAM. So one good thing about M4s is for the base configuration. So from 8 gig, it is now 16 gig. I think they've done it to future-proof the MacBook Air, especially with Apple Intelligence. So the unit that you got here is the sky blue color. So here it is. So if you have an M2 or M3, you'll be familiar with its design. With a little bit squarish, almost the same design with the MacBook Pros. And then what we got here in the box as well are the USB Type C cable with the MagSafe, of course. It also have the same color of this, which is the sky blue color. And then we have some paper documentation as well. However, we don't have any Apple stickers. Alright, so here it is there. So of course, this the 30-watt power adapter. The usual one that you get if you purchase a MacBook Air or any MacBook laptops. Alright, so let's go back to the laptop itself, the M4 MacBook Air. So let's remove its plastic here, or I mean paper covering here that's protecting it from any scratches in the box. So here it is. Alright there. So as you can see, it's almost like pale blue. Sometimes it looks like silver, but this the sky blue one. This is the new color that's only available in the M4 Air laptop. So it's good. Okay. For its first impression, it still it looks beautiful. MacBook Air laptops really looks beautiful. It's well built. It really looks premium, and it's lightweight and it's thin as well. Though not that thin as the M1 MacBook Airs, but of course it's still that thin comparing to the Pros. So this really looks familiar if you have used the M2 or M3 laptops. Their design is almost the same, mostly a different color, and then upgrade in inside are the changes in the M4 chip. And then we got here a headphone jack, which is kind of weird and really feels amazing as well that MacBook Air still supports it. And also we have here the ports, which is two USB Type-C port, and of course MagSafe for charging. Of course, you can also charge it with a USB Type-C charger. So that's mostly it, and the most changes here is definitely inside with double the RAM and the M4 chip itself. So without any further ado, let's try to set this up. All right. So let's just open it and start this up. Alright, so there. So as you can see here, the keyboard is still the same with the M2 and M3, and I really like also how big is the touchpad is regarding with this type of MacBook Airs. Let's remove here the paper cover here on the display, and so that we can set this up, and so that we can see here its beautiful 13-inch display. So I think it's still the same display as the previous M2 and M3 MacBook Air laptops, but it still really looks beautiful, and the bezels are really thin here. So as you can see there, and of course it does have a new 12 megapixel front camera with center stage, and probably I'll be doing more testing on that. So kindly watch out for my full review in the coming weeks for this M4 MacBook Air. So that is my unboxing and my first impression of the M4 MacBook Air. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.